Why are you gaining weight even when you're not eating that much? Why does fat stick around your belly, hips, and face? Why do you feel tired all day? Stressed for no reason and hungry again just hours after eating? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because your metabolism is broken. And it's definitely not because you lack motivation. It's because your body is undernourished, not overfed. When your body doesn't get the right nutrients, when it lacks fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, fiber, protein, and healthy fats, it goes into survival mode. Your body stores fat, your stress hormones rise, your energy crashes, and cravings take over. In this video, you'll learn why unhealthy eating causes weight gain, fat, and stress, why a healthy diet is not optional, it's essential, what nutrients your body actually needs, and how simple foods like fruits, vegetables, and dry fruits can completely change your health. This is Healthy Eating Basics explained simply, clearly, and honestly. Why most people are unhealthy today. We don't eat food anymore. We eat products. Highly processed, sugar-loaded, refined foods that spike blood sugar, increase fat storage, damage hormones, increase stress and inflammation. Your body was designed to survive on real food, not packets. When your diet lacks nutrients, your brain stays stressed, your body stores fat, your digestion weakens, your immunity drops. Healthy eating is not about dieting. It's about giving your body what it needs to function properly. What healthy eating really means. Healthy eating does not mean starving yourself, eating boring food, cutting all carbs, following extreme diets. Healthy eating means eating nutrient-dense food, supporting your body systems, creating balance, not restriction, building habits you can follow for life. When you eat right, your body automatically starts healing. Why you gain weight and fat, the real reasons. Weight gain is not just about calories. You gain weight because your meals lack protein, your diet lacks fiber, you eat too much sugar and refined carbs, your stress hormones stay high, your blood sugar constantly spikes and crashes. When your body doesn't get nutrients, it asks for more food. That's why you feel hungry again and again. Why stress and food are connected. Your stress is not just mental, it's nutritional. Lack of nutrients increases cortisol, stress hormone, anxiety, emotional eating, fat storage, especially belly fat. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats calm your nervous system. Healthy eating brings calmer mind. Macronutrients. Your body needs 3 main nutrients daily. Carbohydrates, energy, not the enemy. Carbs are not bad. Bad carbs are bad. Healthy carbs. Fruits. Vegetables. Whole grains, lentils, unhealthy carbs, sugar, white bread, sweets, soft drinks. Healthy carbs give energy and fiber. Refined carbs create fat and cravings. Protein, fat loss and muscle support. Protein builds muscle, controls hunger, boosts metabolism, helps fat loss. Sources: eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, beans, yogurt. Nuts and seeds. No protein, weak body, plus slow results. Fats and hormone and brain health. Healthy fats. Reduce inflammation. Improve brain function. Balance hormones. Sources: dry fruits, almonds, walnuts. Seeds: olive oil.
Avocados.
Fats don't make you fat and sugar imbalance does. Why fruits, vegetables, and dry fruits are essential. These foods are non-negotiable. Fruits provide natural vitamins, improve digestion, reduce sugar cravings. Vegetables, high in fiber, low in calories, detox the body naturally. Dry fruits, rich in minerals, improve energy, support brain and heart health. A diet without these foods is incomplete. Micronutrients, small but powerful. Vitamins and minerals, strengthen immunity, improve skin and hair, reduce fatigue, improve mood. Best source: natural foods, not supplements. The balanced plate rule, very important. Every meal should look like this: 50% vegetables and fruits, 25% protein, 25% whole grains, small amount of healthy fat, no calorie counting, no confusion. Just balance. Why skipping meals makes things worse. Skipping meals slows metabolism, increases fat storage, causes overeating later, raises stress hormones. Your body needs regular fuel, not punishment. Healthy eating for weight loss. Weight loss happens naturally when you nourish your body, you eat balanced meals, you stay consistent. Starving creates stress. Balanced eating creates results. Mindful eating, the game changer. Eat slowly. Chew properly. Stop eating when satisfied. Mindful eating alone can reduce overeating, improve digestion, improve control. Healthy eating on a budget. Healthy food doesn't need to be expensive. Affordable options: lentils, seasonal fruits, vegetables, eggs, rice and oats. Simple food, fancy food. Building healthy habits the right way. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Start with 1 fruit a day, more water, home-cooked meals, less sugar. Small habits create big change. Food is not just calories. Food sends signals to your body. Eat junk, body stores fat. Eat nutrients, body heals. Your health is built one meal at a time. If this video helped you understand food better, like this video, share it with someone struggling with weight or stress. Subscribe to Healthy Habits for simple, honest health guidance. Remember, healthy habits don't change your life overnight. They change it forever.